Huawei Mate 50 will feature a jumbo 7000 mAh battery and new camera setup, leak says. What's up guys, it's Anwar for TechnoLeaks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Huawei Mate 50 Pro. Aside from the upcoming high-end product launches including Huawei P50, MatePad Pro 2 and Watch 3, something else is also going on in Huawei related to the annual flagship of 2021. Rumors suggest that Huawei Mate 50 Pro is going to go after endurance with a huge battery that will see it outlast other phones. Huawei has been rather quiet so far in 2021. We would normally have seen the Huawei P update, expected to be the Huawei P50 by now, but that seems to have shifted its launch slightly later in the year. Every year, Huawei unveils new premium smartphones in Mate series, so the next Mate flagship will be the Huawei Mate 50. Ahead of the upcoming P50 series, the leaks, rumors and render of the Mate 50 phone started to pop up. Now, according to Chinese media, the forthcoming Huawei Mate 50 Pro will be equipped with a powerful battery of 7000 mAh. That's right, that's huge battery, the likes of which we don't see in normal phones, usually because it will push the size of the phone larger than some will accept. We have seen some 6000 mAh devices and 5000 mAh is pretty common, but 7000 mAh is in every sense colossal. That's not the only spec that source is touting. There is talk of a 6.8-inch OLED display, a Kirin 9000 SoC with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs storage, while there will be a dual front camera and quad rear system. In terms of camera, it may offer a 64 megapixel quad camera rear setup and 32 megapixel selfie shooter. Previous leaks also suggest that Huawei Mate 50 reportedly comes with an OLED capacitive touchscreen display, pre-installed Harmony OS, rear quad camera system, 120Hz refresh rate and more. Following the suspected specifications, a well-known concept creator has designed the renders of Huawei Mate 50 Pro Plus model, which shows a massive circular rear camera system and a whole-point display as well as curved edges. We know that Huawei is facing some difficulties with processor supply, compounded by the US trade ban, but we have previously seen it said that the Huawei P50 would use reserved Kirin hardware. Those aforementioned trade bans have seen Huawei lose market share outside China, and despite valiant efforts to offer a viable alternative to Google's services, Huawei has fallen from favor somewhat. Moreover, the arrival time of this next generation series is not unknown at the time, but as per the previous Mate lineup launch timeline, it's expected to release in around October 2021. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Huawei Mate 50 Pro this month? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.